This module is about Standard 5, 6 and 7 of National Accreditation Council for Teacher Education. So let's have a look on these standards. Number 5, Finance and Management. 6th standard is Research and Scholarship and 7th one is Community Links and Outreach. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि Standard 5 में क्या है. There is transparent, competent and strategic management of administrative and financial matters of the program and its host institution. तो जो आपकी है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव और फाइनेंशियल मैटर्स, उसके लिए बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंट, कॉम्पिटेंट मैनेजमेंट होनी ज़रूरी है. एंड स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट मीन्स फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग मैनेजमेंट. Budget of the program manages its budget transparently and accrues independent funds when possible. Management, the program is effectively and efficiently managed. Retention of prospective teachers, the program provides an environment and instruction that retains competent prospective teachers. So standard 5 में इन चीज़ों को document किया जाता है. So standard 6, research and scholarship, the program facilitates its educators and prospective teachers to undertake research at the individual and institutional level to promote the educational process. So research के ऊपर भी focus है कि अगर एक इदारा एक program offer कर रहा है और उसमें research की provision नहीं है, so probably the institute will not get accreditation for the whole program. Programs, research and knowledge generation plan. Okay, there must be a full-fledged plan showing that research and knowledge research would be done and knowledge would be created. And the second one is dissemination and use of research outputs. कि ये भी प्लान होना चाहिए कि जो रिसर्च के आउटकम्स आएंगे उसको किस तरीके से आपने डिसेमिनेट करना है, बिकॉज जो नॉलेज जनरेशन एक्टिविटी है ये मुकम्मल नहीं होती. इट रिमेन्स इनकम्प्लीट इफ आउटकम्स आर नॉट शेयर्ड, आर नॉट डिसेमिनेटेड. तो ये चीज़ें जो हैं इनका भी डॉक्यूमेंटेड सबूत होना चाहिए कि आप अपने प्रोग्राम में जो रिसर्च कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ डिसेमिनेटेड. Standard 7, community links and outreach. The institution has link and interacts with its community to mutually support each other to develop and strengthen an equitable society. इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा strong links जो हैं teacher education के हवाले से वो schools के साथ होंगे, maybe even with non-formal schools. Linkage with the community. The program sustains a constant dialogue with the community for mutual benefit and support. Supporting an equitable and fair community, the program takes measures to assure that its treatment is fair, equitable and supportive to members of society. So these are standard 5, 6 and 7 of National Accreditation Council for Teacher Education. So we can say that standard 5 to 7 set criteria for finance and management of the overall program, research and scholarship and community linkages. Being higher education programs, teacher education should be contributing to knowledge generation and community development.